Alright, we're here at the Comfort Inn & Suites, Manheim 11 location, here in Manheim, Pennsylvania. And over here, we have a Schindler elevator to ride. Schindler 330A. Let's go to 3. We're on 3. Back down to 1. Door close doesn't work, as you all know for a Schindler. Very basic elevator for a Comfort Inn. It's kind of nice though. I do like the carpeted floor. Use your HT fixtures. And there's your floor indicator. Capacity is 2,500 pounds. And you're 1. Out there is the front desk. With the 3 and get a view from upstairs. Yeah, door close does not work. Here we are on the 3rd floor. This thing does have a nice motor though. I like that. Watch it close up. Here goes the elevator. Let's see if we have a good view up here. Here we out this window. Not the most exciting view other than a really rainy night. Down there's a parking lot. These are your steps. This hotel is actually not very big, as you can see. We're going to view out this window up here, then we'll go back down the elevator. Hopefully this view out here is more exciting. And out here, I don't know if you really see it right now, but probably saw a car go by, but down there is the PA Turnpike. And no more of the parking lot. Otherwise, nothing else to see other than the turnpike. There goes another car. There's your other set of steps. And I guess we'll take the elevator back down. Alright, 1 Watch the button go out. And you're at 1. And this one, as they close, there it goes. And that'll be it.